True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. My location is in the Newcombe Valley area in St. Elizabeth, Newcombe Valley, very close to Watchwell, Lewistown, Bacon, them place there. Yeah, man. So my location currently speaking now in the Newcombe Valley area in St. Elizabeth. So I'm taking a tour after the hurricane passes past Jamaica, leave a lot of damage. So I'm taking the time out to show the people them overseas in Jamaica, everywhere, want to see what's taking place. You know, I'm just gonna give you the main road and show you where I'm going. Because if you plan to travel to Jamaica, at least you can understand to that area how much it has been damaged, because we have to travel the main road them. The main road is very important. Also the turn off. Every one of them roads are important. So don't forget those roads, alright? So yeah, man, so big up on yourself. Anyone that watch from here and abroad, you can big up on yourself. Yeah, man, I'm talking to you. If you like this video, free of cost. So like up the video, share and subscribe. See a lot of house stop blow off, you know, a lot of house stop blow off. Oh my. It's not pretty, my people, it's not pretty, it's not pretty, it's not pretty, it's not pretty. It don't pretty at all. It's not pretty. See what I go on in Newcombe Valley here. All stop down so blow off. I'm telling us a boy, you know, easy. Easy at all. Easy none at all. Easy none at all. Easy at all. Big up yourself, Marcia. Church of God in the Newcombe Valley area. Yeah, man. Yeah, see the road that kind of black and thing. See where few house top blow down off in the road right there. Big up yourself, Marcia. Just give it a quick tour through. Yeah, man, a quick tour through me and show you how I go, you know. Big up yourself. All stop blow off. It not pretty, me people. It not pretty, not pretty, not pretty, not pretty. So I go on. Boy, them call you so welcome to Borderline. Look on the house, my people. Look on the house there. Top gone. Whole heap of house get damaged in that area. Whole heap of house. Tell them to say no easy. this house there again, top blow off. Drive through all people yard. That for show you are going in the beautiful island Jamaica. Light post down, whole heap of place down, whole heap. Place of the people, all of the top blow off. Can you imagine? See a lot of poker box in the area. So you know, see a whole heap of beating them people I get, a whole heap of beating. So thanks for watching the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Subscribe to the channel, like it. If you learn something about Jamaica, our beautiful island Jamaica, like it up, man. Free of cost, man. Water the pan road. Everybody, if you look, everybody look out here now, you know. So thanks for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.